Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're tackling something that keeps almost every small to medium enterprise owner awake at night, whether they admit it or not. And let's be real, most of us don't really want to admit it. Securing your team's credentials. We're going to take a very close look at a tool called Bitwarden, which is built to do exactly that, both effectively and affordably.
Okay, let's dive right into this. And I want you to be completely honest with yourself for a second. How is your team actually sharing passwords right now? Are you secretly relying on sticky notes slapped onto monitors or maybe hidden under keyboards? Or maybe having everyone just casually save passwords to their individual web browsers? Or perhaps worst of all, do you have an informal, highly vulnerable password spreadsheet just floating around your company network?
For a long time, businesses have felt totally trapped between two extremes. On one side, you've got the risky way, those informal spreadsheets, sticky notes, and plain text emails that literally leave your business wide open to a breach. On the flip side, you have the expensive way. Popular commercial password managers like 1Password or LastPass are great, sure, but they charge these painful, high per-user monthly fees for team and business plans. It forces a lot of budget-conscious businesses to just risk it. But it doesn't have to be this way.
To help you solve this security problem, here's our roadmap for today. We're going to cover the SME password problem, meet Bitwarden, core features and security, pricing versus the competition, how to migrate smoothly, and finally, the final verdict. Let's get to it. Starting right off with Section 1, the SME password problem.
The data here is just crystal clear. Weak, reused, or poorly managed passwords are still one of the absolute most common causes of business security breaches. Shared credentials for business tools, think like your company's social media accounts or shared software services, are particularly risky. When small businesses don't have a formal password management system, they're basically leaving themselves entirely exposed to breaches that are, frankly, completely preventable.
Moving on to Section 2, meet Bitwarden. Launched back in 2016, Bitwarden is built to give SMEs genuine, enterprise-grade password security. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that term open source/GPL. Sometimes people hear free and open source and immediately think, oh, low quality or unsecure. Actually, scratch that. It's the exact opposite. Because the underlying code is publicly accessible, independent security communities have audited and verified its safety multiple times over. Its transparency is absolutely its greatest strength, totally neutralizing any fears about its quality. Another huge advantage is the incredible flexibility you have in choosing how you actually manage your password vault infrastructure. You basically have two main deployment options here. You can go with official cloud-hosted, which is highly affordable and completely managed by Bitwarden. Or if you want complete control over your infrastructure, you can choose the self-hosted option. That one uses an official Docker-based deployment. And best of all, it's entirely free. All right, on to Section 3, core features and security.
So the absolutely crucial point to understand here is Bitwarden's zero-knowledge encryption architecture. What this means in plain English is that your data is secured using strong industry-standard encryption locally on your device before it ever even touches their servers. Literally, even Bitwarden itself cannot access, read, or decrypt your stored passwords. Your credential vault remains entirely private and secure. You are the only one holding the keys. Beyond that foundational security, it just packs some heavy-hitting features. We're talking secure password generation, so every single account gets a unique, uncrackable password, no more company name 2024. It's got seamless cross-device autofill, and for teams, it offers these really granular access collections. That means secure sharing lets your teams collaborate on business accounts without ever exposing plain text passwords. Add in two-factor authentication support and organization-wide security reports to spot weak passwords, and you've got a total powerhouse tool. Let's transition right into Section 4, pricing versus the competition. Let's look at a standard 12-person company for a second. If you put them on 1Password's business plan, which is usually around $8 per user, you're looking at roughly $96 every single month. But look at the Bitwarden Teams plan for those exact same 12 people. And this brilliantly illustrates the difference. It comes in at under $50 a month. That is a fraction of the competitor's price, offering massive annual savings without sacrificing a drop of security.
But wait, it actually gets even better. Because if you have a very small team that fits within the generous free tier's capabilities, or if your business is totally comfortable managing its own infrastructure using that self-hosted Docker deployment we talked about earlier, well, your monthly cost drops entirely to zero. Yep, $0 for genuine enterprise-grade password security. Incredible, right? Let's pivot over to Section 5, How to Migrate Smoothly.
Adopting new software is really just a practical 2 to 3 week behavioral change for your team. Let's move to and see how this builds a structured, totally stress-free rollout to replace those chaotic old habits. Step 1, export and use this migration to clean up any weak existing passwords. Step 2, have team members migrate their individual vaults systematically. Just take it slow. Step 3, establish those organizational collections to replace informal sharing. And step 4, run the old and new systems in parallel just for a bit to confirm nothing important got left behind.
Now, there are some major pitfalls you absolutely must avoid, so you don't undermine your brand new security infrastructure right out of the gate. Do not keep using informal password sharing alongside Bitwarden. You gotta make a clean break. Don't skip enabling two-factor authentication. It's a critical extra layer. Never, ever choose a weak master password because that breaks the vault security entirely. And finally, don't ignore those security reports. Use them to fix those reused passwords.
Which brings us to our final stop, Section 6, the final verdict.
Take this real-world scenario from our sources. A 12-person company was previously managing shared business credentials through a highly risky informal shared document, a total nightmare. By adopting Bitwarden's Teams plan, they successfully organized all their shared tools into secure collections with proper permissions. They ran security reports to instantly clean up their previously weak passwords, and they saved a significant amount of money compared to their alternatives. It just proves how easily a team can achieve a systematic security cleanup with very minimal friction. Now, to make sure we're giving you a completely objective picture here, there are a few limitations to consider. If you need highly advanced, detailed enterprise compliance reporting, you're going to need to look at their higher-tier paid plans. If you go the completely free, self-hosted route, keep in mind it demands ongoing server maintenance responsibility from your IT team. And finally, the tool only works if your team actually uses it. Adoption requires a real behavioral change to stop all that informal sharing.
But ultimately, this quote sums up the core value proposition perfectly. For SMEs wanting enterprise-grade password security without enterprise-grade pricing, Bitwarden delivers exactly that. Its combination of independent security audits, open-source transparency, and just exceptional affordability makes this an absolutely essential upgrade for your business infrastructure. So, I want to leave you with this provocative thought. If a security breach happens tomorrow, will you regret leaving your business credentials sitting in a vulnerable shared spreadsheet today? Don't wait to find out. Take action, secure your team, and upgrade your systems. If you found this explainer helpful, please remember to subscribe to Uplatz to continue through the rest of our free and open source software for SMEs series. Next time, we'll be diving into OSP Zap, a brilliant free website security testing tool that helps you spot vulnerabilities before the attackers do. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next explainer.